You guys, a bird just flew. I knew I seen one. My bird's called another bird, and I don't know whose bird it is, but I heard them, and there it is. This is the start of my day, I guess. Welcome back, Budgie Breeder One here. So don't mind my face. I kind of look like a crackhead, and I know I need to exfoliate, and I kind of just didn't even get ready yet. I didn't wash my face yet. I didn't brush my teeth yet. So it's giving very much stink butt right now. But I'm coming here humble, as you know, to make this quick video. So I'm going to keep this video very short, not like the last video. I'm going to give you backstory, but this is going to be very much like a poem. Okay, so what happened was I was in my room looking out my window, deciding what I'm going to do for the day, and out the corner of my eye, I see something white fly by, and I'm like, wait, hold on, did somebody have a funeral? Because I just think I saw a white dove just fly by my window, but I'm not sure because it was very anorexic and skinny. So I was like, did one of our birds get out? Because I take my birds out every day now to get them some extra sunlight, and they look very much good. That sunlight is doing them justice. So I bring my birds out every day so they can chirp up a storm outside, because in here, like, there's no paneling. Oh my god, it's gonna sound like I live in a crack house. Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. It kind of is. No, let me stop. Okay, so for real, there's no like soundproof. You know, like a normal door has like a layer of something under the door and like insulation, like when you close the door to keep the door insulated and shut. Yeah, I think they forgot to put some of that up under my door, because you can hear everything and music playing inside my apartment. You can hear every conversation. I don't know if they did this for FBI reasons or if they just, you know, forgot, but I don't like it at all. So I keep my birds outside, so when they be loud, I don't get a noise complaint. So I did that, and I know there's birds across my street that be wanting to have a chirping contest with my birds, and I'd be like, okay, you're not gonna win. It's only 2 of y'all, and then you got a whole army over here that's vocal power singers, so they gonna blow y'all to smithereens. Anyways, more of a story. I think one of the birds from down the street got loose because they heard my birds chirping, and they sounded like, I guess my bird's head said, come up here, Nuck, if you buck. And then the bird had escaped the cage and was like, okay, I'm nucking, I'm bucking, I'm ready to fight. And he flew over here and was trying to fight one of my birds. So I think that's what happened. Who let the birds out? He let himself out. He was smart enough to let himself out, and he flew over there to my bird cages, and I ended up catching him, and turns out he didn't want to fight, he wanted to kiss. So that's what happened. I caught the bird, and here's the video. Come on. I don't know what this bird has either. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whose bird is this? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost had him, guys. He's so young still. Well, he looks kind of young. Come on. Come on. Don't be kissing on my birds. No. Okay, I got him, guys. Now, where did you come from? And who are you? Yeah. I know you're hungry. You're fluffed up. We gotta find who you belong to. I have a feeling I know who you belong to, but I'm not totally sure. So beautiful though.
I'm tired.